Good afternoon. Today I am going to solve the question of depreciation. Question number 12. And book is of T.S. Grewal. Here the question is, on 1st April 2010, plant and machinery was purchased for rupees 1,20,000. New machinery was purchased on 1st October 2010 for rupees 50,000 and on 1st July 2011 for rupees 25,000. दो एडिशनल मशीनरी परचेज की जाती है फर्स्ट अक्टूबर 2010 को 50,000 में और सेकेंड 1 जुलाई 2011 को 25,000 में. On 1st January 2030, a machinery of the original value of 20,000 which was included in the machinery purchase on 1st April 2010 was sold for 6,000. 1st अप्रैल 2010 को 1,20,000 रुपये की मशीनरी परचेज की गई थी. उसमें से 20,000 रुपये के ओरिजिनल वैल्यू के मशीनरी को 1 जनवरी 2013 को 6,000 में बेच दिया जाता है. Prepare plant and machinery account for 3 years after providing depreciation at 10% per annum on a straight line method. Accounts are closed on 31st March every year. Now see here. First of all, first machinery purchased on 1st April 2010. First machinery was purchased on 1st April 2010. The entry will be machinery account debit to bank account. Machinery account debit to bank account. Machinery is debited, so in the ledger of machinery debit side we write to bank account. Amount is 1,20,000. In the same year, on October 1st, another machinery was purchased for rupees 50,000. The entry will be machinery account debit to bank account. We'll write October 1st to bank account 50,000. There is no other entry, other transaction here. At the end of the year end on 31st March 2011, we charge depreciation. For depreciation, entry will be depreciation account debit to machinery account. In this entry machinery credit है, इसलिए मशीनरी के लेजर में लिखेंगे बाय डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट और मशीनरी पर डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज करेंगे. फर्स्ट मशीनरी है 1,20,000 का होल ईयर के लिए चार्ज करेंगे. 1,20,000 इंटू 10 बाई 100 अमाउंट ये 12,000. सेकेंड मशीनरी जो है 50,000 का है, but this machinery was purchased on 1st October 2010. So on this machinery we will charge depreciation for 6 months. 50,000 into 6 into 10 by 100 into 12. Amount will come 2,500. फर्स्ट मशीनरी पर 12,000 रुपये और सेकेंड मशीनरी पर 2,500 रुपये डिप्रिसिएशन आया है. यहाँ लिखें मशीनरी फर्स्ट 12,000, मशीनरी सेकेंड 2,500. टोटल डिप्रिसिएशन इज 14,500. Now we balance the ledger. Here in the debit side we will do total. Total is 1,70,000. Same total will be written in credit side 1,70,000 and we will deduct 14,500. The amount of credit side is 14,500 from 1,70,000. The difference will come 1,55,500. यदि 14,500 रुपये को डिडक्ट करते हैं 1,70,000 में से तो डिफरेंस 1,55,500 आता है. दिस इज द बैलेंस ऑफ द ईयर 2011 बाय बैलेंस CD. वी हैव मेंशन्ड हियर. नाउ दिस बैलेंस विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू नेक्स्ट ईयर on 2011 April 1st. In debit side we transferred to balance BD 1,55,500. Again, in the year 2011, July 1st, a new machinery was purchased for 25,000. 1 जुलाई 2011 को एक नई मशीनरी परचेज किया गया है 25,000 में. एंट्री विल बी मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. मशीनरी डेबिट है, इसलिए मशीनरी के लेजर में डेबिट साइड में लिखेंगे टू बैंक अकाउंट. अमाउंट इज 25,000. Now at the end of the year 2012, on March 31st, for depreciation, entry will be depreciation account debit to machinery account. डेप्रिसिएशन के लिए एंट्री होती है डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू मशीनरी अकाउंट. मशीनरी क्रेडिट है, इसलिए बाय क्रेडिट साइड में लिखें बाय डेप्रिसिएशन. और अब मशीनरी पर डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज करेंगे. फर्स्ट मशीनरी 1,20,000 का है, इस पर 10% की दर से होल ईयर के लिए चार्ज करेंगे 12,000 आएगा. सेकेंड मशीनरी ऑफ 50,000, इस मशीनरी पर भी फुल ईयर के लिए निकालेंगे 10% की दर से 5,000 आएगा. थर्ड मशीनरी 25,000 का है, बट दिस मशीनरी वाज परचेज्ड ऑन जुलाई 1st 2011. 1 जुलाई 2011 को परचेज किया गया है, इसलिए जुलाई टू मार्च there are 9 months. So on this machinery we charge depreciation for 9 months at the rate of 10%. Here 25,000 into 9 into 10 by 100 into 12. The amount of depreciation will come 1,875. Here on first machinery 12,000, second machinery 5,000, and on third machinery 1,875. Total depreciation is 18,875. Now balance the ledger. Here in debit side the total amount is 1,80,500. We will do the total. Now balance the credit side here. In credit side the amount of depreciation is 8. Here the balance of the machinery on 31st March 2012 is 1,61,625. Now this balance will be transferred in the beginning of next year. The year start 2012 April 1st, two balance BD 1,20,000. In the year 2013 January 1st, the machinery which original cost was 20,000 sold out for rupees 6,000. The for sale of the machinery bank account debit to machinery account. मशीनरी जो है क्रेडिट है, इसलिए मशीनरी अकाउंट में क्रेडिट साइड में लिखेंगे बाय बैंक अकाउंट 6,000. नाउ विल चार्ज डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन दिस मशीनरी. द मशीनरी वाज सोल्ड ऑन 1st January, सो फॉर द पीरियड 1st April to 1st January 9 months. The amount is 20,000. 20,000 into 9 into 10 by 100 into 12. The amount of depreciation will be 1,500. Here for depreciation, increase depreciation account debit to machinery account, so we will write by depreciation 1,500. Now we will calculate the profit or loss on sale of this machinery. The machinery original cost was 20,000, so on 20,000 in the first year depreciation will come 2,000. in second year again 2,000. in third year depreciation is charged for 9 months. केवल 9 महीने का depreciation चार्ज किया गया है. So total depreciation is 5,500. We will add the selling price. The selling price of this machinery was 6,000. So total recovery is 11,500. Now the cost of machinery is 20,000. We deduct 11,500. I mean depreciation plus selling price. From 20,000 the balance is 8,500. This is the loss on sale of machinery. For loss on sale of machinery, entry is loss on sale of machinery account debit to machinery account. Machinery is credited, so in the credit side of machinery account we write by loss on sale of machinery 8,500. Now we will charge depreciation on rest of the machinery. द रेस्ट मशीनरी फर्स्ट मशीनरी 1,20,000 रुपये का था, उसमें से 20,000 रुपये का मशीनरी बेच दिया गया है, तो उसको माइनस कर देंगे. 1,20,000 में से 20,000 को माइनस करेंगे. रेस्ट मशीनरी इज़ 1 लाख. 1 लाख का 10% कैलकुलेट करेंगे 10,000 आएगा. Second machinery of 50,000. On this machinery will charge depreciation for full year at the rate of 10%. The amount will come 5,000. The third machinery of 25,000. On this amount this year will charge depreciation for full year. The 10% of 25,000 will come 2,500. Here we have shown on machinery first depreciation is 10,000, second 5,000, third 2,500. The total depreciation is 17,500. Now we balance the ledger. In debit side the total amount is 1,61,625. We will write the same amount in credit side 1,61,625. Now the amount of credit side we will do total roughly and deduct from 1,61,625. The balance will come 1,28,125. बैलेंस 1,28,125 रुपये आएगा. दिस इज द बैलेंस ऑफ मशीनरी अकाउंट ऑन 31st March 2013. This balance will be transferred in the next year. The next year is start on 1st April 2013. 2013 April 1st to balance BD. In this way the question is solved.